Hi, my name is Karey Cummings. About 6 years ago, I developed anxiety after the birth of my daughter, and I've been living with it for quite some time and working on all sorts of strategies to try to solve it and make it go away. That work led me into looking at gut microbiome, so I found my way to Laura, said yes to the program, and I've been working with Laura for about 7 or 8 months. I've gone through the Restore Your Belly Health program. And throughout the time of going through Restore Your Belly Health, my anxiety went away. I highly recommend Restore Your Belly Health because of the impact and power that this program has had in my life. I want that for other people. Trust the process. You really can trust Laura, and there really is the potential of your anxiety going away. My life before working with Laura and Restore My Belly Health, I would say was just pretty average. Fairly healthy person, consistently worked out over the years, and always striving to be healthier. What made me say yes to Laura was I was searching for something, looking into my gut, and I listened to her from a couple different places, and I just really felt that I could trust her. So how she was speaking, how she was explaining things, her energy and her passion just really drew me to her, and I felt like this is the time to say yes. So what almost prevented me from starting Restore Your Belly Health was just the timing of when to start. So I have a really busy life. There's vacations, I have kids. So when could I start that I knew I could actually follow through with it? So that timeline was one of the biggest things. But what I will say is working with Laura and her team, they really worked with me to figure out when this could work. And so I felt really well supported, and that made it much easier for me to commit. Understanding my lab test and what each of the markers meant was really eye-opening for me. So I was able to actually see what was happening within my body, and then I had tools that I could use to make adjustments and changes. So it was constantly about learning something new and then taking that information and then next leveling it with a little tweak or increasing this or changing that. And so it just really empowered me. What surprised me the most about Restore My Belly Health and working with it is it actually worked. I really was struggling with anxiety that I've had for about the last 5 years. And in my time of working with Laura, it went away. To me, that was really shocking and surprised because I didn't actually believe that it would happen. I was hopeful and I trusted the process, but it went away. So what I'm doing now differently, it's really just the understanding of how my systems are supposed to work, how my bowels are supposed to work, how my elimination is supposed to work. If I feel like I need more hydration or I need to eat a different way, or if I need an increased supplement or to add something, I can navigate that and really adjust how I'm feeling with the tools and resources that I've learned to be able to fine tune and adjust my life. I would recommend Restore My Belly Health to really anybody. It really has changed my life. I feel healthier from the inside out. I feel that I'm in more control about the choices I make and understanding what's happening with my microbiome. This is something that hasn't been offered to me in other places before. I really wish more people had access to this. So my ambition today is really just to live a fulfilled life. So my favorite Laura is that it's not about perfectionism. It's just about making small adjustments, fine-tunements. So I really appreciate that.